Hey dolls, guess what? Okay, so you guys know that I just moved into a new house. However, you don't know that I have been busting at the seams when it comes to extra storage. I don't have any. This house is really small. This is my small little yard area that I have. It's not particularly huge, but I am definitely running out of storage space. As you can see in my storage unit, I am packed to the brim. The house is small, so I don't have a lot. So I got this thing, and that's who is the sponsor of today's video. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and try to do something to this back area so I can actually use the space.
Hold up.
So I was finally able to get this thing out of the box and start on it. Well, I got this thing a while ago, but as you can see, the pages are all wet because it's rained so much here in North Carolina that I haven't had a chance to put this thing together. I really needed the storage, but as you can see, yeah. So I'm glad that I can at least still see it and it didn't just fall apart. So here we go. Get those screws and screw those hinges and then pop on the bottom part. All right, so yeah, both sides done. Now I gotta do the bottom. Mallet, so I can mallet this in, but oh, here we go. Okay, easy. Okay, no mallet needed. Okay, so Yita Home reached out to me because they wanted to know what it was that they could send me that would make my moving process a little bit easier. And since I'm living in such a small house, I needed storage. So I got this. This is a 230-gallon deck box. This is what I need, extra storage. So I got it, a lot of it. I also decided to use my laundry closet as a storage closet because, again, not a lot of space. So what I want to do is show you today a game changer when it comes to storage, all right? I mean, it is so big.
That's what she said.
I'm telling you guys, this thing is massive. Like, you can do so many things with this. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It will not only keep your space looking clean and organized, you know, you can just dump a lot of things in there, but it'll blend right in. Gray is going to be the base color that I use out here in my backyard, so that's why I chose gray, but it comes in brown and black, couple neutral colors, so it's gonna blend right in. I cannot wait to get this yard done because if you go over to YitaHome.com, you'll see that they have so many beautiful things over there, and this thing can be used indoors, just so you know, if you have the space for it, because it is massive. But it does double as like table space if you're entertaining. Like, this thing can hold up to 1,000 pounds. It's built with all WeatherGuard resin. It's waterproof and rust proof. It has hydraulic hinges on it. It lets you organize things any way you want. You know, the flexibility is off the chain. It is so sturdy. I'm telling you guys, I can sit up here. You can get a few of my big booties up here. And if you need extra space, it can double as a table. I can literally fit in this thing. You want to see? You play too much. Hey! It is so massive. So if you have a nice size patio, you can put it out on your patio. It can also double as a table because it's so high. I can use it as a work surface. I have not finished working on my yard. Okay, let's be for real. I barely even started. But I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. You just set it up. It's an easy thing to set up. I love this thing. I cannot wait to get my backyard space finished up. So make sure that if you are following this channel, if you're not, you need to subscribe. But if you are, you're going to be seeing a transformation of my entire backyard. You want to get over to Yita Home, check out their website. They have so many beautiful things, not just storage or not just outdoor, there's indoor stuff. Okay, so this is the deck box that I ended up getting, but how cute is this little dining set? And oh my God, these little loungers, 2 of those would look so cute, but these rocking chairs go so well with them. But y'all, this island in my kitchen, I love it. There is so much more than outdoor. You have a lot of bedroom decor. Also, there is kitchen items and islands. There's some bathroom stuff. You have office and living room. There is just so much to look at Yita Home. So use my link in the description and go check it out. And I can't wait to pick out some more things from their site so that I can show you guys how I'm gonna transform my backyard into a oasis, and it's going to be my work area. So I love having this because I can store a lot of things in here that I cannot store in the house. So if you're looking for style, storage, and strength, this deck box is going to be your next best friend. There are so many sales going on right now, and even some clearance. Like I said, get over to Yita Home, make sure you use my code, check in the comments so that you can go ahead and link over to them, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, I love you. Bye. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and the shenanigans, of course. Make sure you are subscribed so you can get more of my DIY home design, interior and exterior. And of course, y'all have a good day. I love you. Bye. I really don't like being out here because there's so many critters. But it'd be a frog, and then there's snakes. North Carolina is known for. My neighbor next door, she killed a copperhead in her yard. So, yeah. I just want to get it straight up, neat, so I'm not creating hiding spaces for all these little critters out here.